Alright, so today at idle I have a weird like misfire, something like that, something of that nature. So what I'm gonna do is pretty much gonna put in my other injectors I have. They're 80-pound injectors from Snake Eater. So yeah, they're a good alternative if you want like cheaper injectors and they're not like trash. So, but yeah, so I have those. I'm gonna go ahead and pull off the fuel rail, get that done. I'm gonna try and find some clips for the injectors as well. I also have a new fuel pressure regulator, not the one that we have right here. That's one Paul had, but I'm gonna probably just put my new one in there, might as well. And we'll just put that one off to the side. But yeah, other than that, that's all I really got. So let's just go ahead and get started on everything I just said. Well, damn it. I went down. I was like, oh shit, I should probably grab my wallet so I can go fill this thing up finally. Well, guess who's walking home? This guy, son of a bitch. So yeah, gotta walk home, grab some gas, come back. Should be great. At least I'm not that far away. I'm like 3 blocks from home, something like that. So still sucks. Yeah. So let's walk on home. Everything seems to be a little bit better. So turns out, if you search 3800 Series 2 firing order, and you search in the images, the wrong one pops up. So that's cool, because that's what I used before. So I'm pretty sure all my issues have been possibly that too. But so yeah, I had the wrong fucking firing order. So it's running a little bit better, but I'm not 100% sure yet because I need to go get gas. And hopefully that's the end of that. So we'll see. Alright, see you when I get gas. Alright, so it's later in the day. And yeah, so I took it out, did those couple little pulls that you've seen. I only hit like 4 pounds, so nothing too crazy. I pretty much wanted to do, I set it to very easy, auto tune for the fuel VE, and did a couple like little pull, like kind of easing into the boost, just so that way it can change the whole fuel setup, the whole fuel VE table. And then I went in, I'm going to go ahead and go in and change it, like I'll interpolate it, so that way it's more of a clean look, so you don't got like jump spots or like random wall of richness or lean. So yeah, there's that. So yeah, we got the 80-pound, or they're 80-pound, 850cc injectors in there from Snake Eaters. Trying to think. I tried putting in that other one, and I actually have to email them because it wouldn't go below 80 psi. So that's pretty messed up. So that kind of sucks. I think it has something to do with the gauge. You have to like really tighten that gauge down. I feel like it's going in too far. I don't know, but it's still not right. So I gotta message them, see if they can refund me or replace it or whatnot. Yeah, trying to think if there's anything else. Yeah, so I mean the main issue was I fucked up. So cylinder 1 is in that back corner. It's not up here. Or actually I think the other one I went off of, it put cylinder 1 here, something like that. I don't know. It was, the firing order was fucked up. So make sure when you try and find a firing order, you do... I found like 2 or 3, but they were all wrong, apparently. So that's freaking cool. So make sure you really look and make sure that it's good. If you have the freaking book, I'm sure that helps a lot better. Or if you don't have to take them off, that's even easier. So, yeah. Trying to think here. I think that's pretty much all I got for this one. Ran out of gas. Good day. Because, you know, I always got to fucking run out of gas. Yeah. I mean, so far so good. The only thing that we really need to fix in the future is going to definitely be the shifter assembly. Because this one sucks. The reverse is a pain in my ass. I pretty much have to like try and avoid going into reverse, like going into a situation where I need to use reverse. Because it's embarrassing. It just... Sometimes it goes in, sometimes it don't. And when it don't, it's like, you know, it's just grinding. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's all I got for this one. You guys know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Share the video. Whatever, you know. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the videos. Leave some comments below. Words of wisdom. Tell me about the one time you did something stupid, like fucking up the firing order. I've done it a couple times now, so. But, yeah. Alright, I'm out.